Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an outline to text in Affinity Designer. This technique is perfect for making your text stand out and adding depth to your designs, so let's jump right into it. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to work with a file, so go ahead and open your existing file or create a new one to get started. This sets up your workspace where you'll be adding and customizing your text. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find various tools for creating and editing elements. Click on the Artistic Text tool. This tool is specifically designed for adding text that you can freely style and manipulate, which is exactly what we need for creating outline text. Before you start typing, let's adjust the font size to make sure your text appears at the right scale. In the upper left corner of your screen, navigate to the font size option and click it. From there, select your preferred font size. Choosing the right size now will save you from having to resize later. With your font size set, click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. As you type, your text will appear on the canvas ready for styling. If you're happy with how it looks so far, we can move on to customizing the color. To change the color of your text, navigate to the right panel. Here you'll see a color picker. Click on it and select the color you want for your text. This is your base color, and it will serve as the foundation before we add the outline effect. Now comes the exciting part, adding the outline. In the right panel, click on Quick FX. This opens up a menu with various effects you can apply to your text. From the options available, select Outline. This instantly applies an outline effect around your text. Next, you'll want to customize the color of that outline. Navigate to the color option within the outline settings, then click the color picker to select your outline color. Choose a color that contrasts well with your text to make the outline really pop. Finally, navigate to the radius setting. Here you'll see a slider that controls the thickness of your outline. Use the slider, moving it from left to right, to enable and adjust the outline color to your liking. Sliding it to the right will make the outline thicker, while keeping it towards the left will give you a subtler effect. And there you have it. You've successfully added an outline to your text in Affinity Designer, giving your design that extra visual punch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.